Have you ever wondered if the answer to some of your most persistent health problems could be found right in your kitchen? Today, we're sharing a secret that has doctors scratching their heads in amazement. It's a simple, natural remedy that has been quietly transforming the lives of everyday people using two ingredients you already know: castor oil and baking soda. Imagine an oil so powerful that it was packed into US military kits during World War II to heal injuries and lubricate machinery, and imagine combining that legendary oil with something as ordinary as baking soda, a basic household staple. The results of this combination are nothing short of fascinating, from helping reduce inflammation to promoting hair growth, easing chronic pain, improving digestion, and even supporting heart health. This duo might just change the way you look after yourself. Stick around, because what I'm about to share could give you tools to take control of your health naturally without chemicals or invasive procedures. By the end of this video, you'll learn step by step how you can use this amazing remedy for yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive in, I'd love for you to support this channel. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable health tips. If you find this content helpful, drop a comment below. Let me know if you're excited to try these remedies. It motivates me to keep creating content that makes a difference. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about castor oil. This golden liquid has been cherished for its healing properties for centuries. It isn't just another home remedy, it's a time-tested solution backed by history and even science. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that works wonders for reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and providing deep nourishment to your body. Most people have never heard of this combination or its benefits, but when castor oil and baking soda are mixed, they create a gentle yet effective remedy that can help with everything from soothing joint pain to supporting prostate health, promoting hair regrowth, and even improving digestion. Trust me, you'll want to know how to use this. Let's start with one of its most incredible uses: helping with prostate health. If you're a man over 50, you may know the struggle of waking up multiple times during the night to use the restroom. Constantly interrupted sleep can drain your energy and impact your quality of life. You might think this is just a part of getting older, but let me tell you, it doesn't have to be. Prostate issues are often tied to inflammation and oxidative stress, and the gland, which disrupt urine flow and create that exhausting late-night cycle. Castor oil steps in to tackle the root of the problem. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe swelling, improve circulation, and provide relief naturally. Here's how you can use it. You don't even need to ingest it. In fact, the magic happens externally. Take a soft cloth soaked in cold-pressed castor oil, the pure kind, and place it on your lower abdomen near the prostate area. Cover it with plastic wrap, then apply gentle heat using a warm towel or heating pad. Relax for about 45 minutes, ideally 3 times a week, and within a few weeks, you could feel a dramatic change. Fewer interruptions during sleep and much-needed relief. Studies even show that castor oil packs have reduced nighttime bathroom visits by nearly half for men struggling with prostate issues. No pills, no surgeries, just nature doing its work. But the benefits don't stop there. Have you noticed your hair thinning or your hairline retreating? Hair loss isn't just an unavoidable part of aging. It often has to do with DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that damages hair follicles. Castor oil contains compounds that naturally block DHT, giving your hair a fighting chance to grow stronger and fuller. Again, want to try it? Here's how. Warm a tablespoon of castor oil, but don't overheat it, and massage it gently into your scalp. Focus on areas where thinning is most noticeable. This boosts circulation while delivering nutrients to the hair follicles. Let it sit for at least an hour, but overnight works even better. Just cover your head with a shower cap or towel to prevent any mess. Wash it out using a mild shampoo the next morning. For even better results, you can add a few drops of rosemary essential oil, a natural DHT blocker which works synergistically with castor oil to promote hair regrowth. Repeat this process 3 times a week and be consistent. Hair regrowth takes time, but within a few months, you could notice your hair feeling stronger, healthier, and thicker. In fact, there are studies showing that castor oil can rival mainstream treatments like minoxidil without causing irritation or side effects. Let me share a real-life story. My friend James was skeptical at first. Like many, he had tried everything: expensive shampoos, supplements, and even considered hair transplants. Nothing worked. But after giving castor oil a shot, he began to notice less shedding after just a few weeks. By the 3-month mark, not only was his hair thicker, but even his barber commented on how much healthier it looked. This simple, affordable remedy can work wonders, even where pricey cures have failed. If your hair is thinning, don't wait until it's too late. Start nourishing those follicles today. Your confidence will thank you later. Now let's explore another incredible benefit of castor oil: its ability to ease chronic pain and inflammation, whether it's from stiff joints, sore muscles, or nagging back pain. Discomfort can silently rob us of life's joys. Understandably, many people reach for painkillers, but those pills often come with risks like stomach upset, liver damage, and long-term dependency. Castor oil provides a natural, holistic alternative that targets pain at its source. The secret lies in its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which penetrates deep into tissues, reduces inflammation, and increases blood flow. Even better, it avoids the negative side effects associated with most over-the-counter medications. Here's how to use it for pain. Soak a soft cloth in castor oil and apply it to the affected area, your knees, back, or wherever you feel discomfort. Wrap the area with plastic wrap and place a heating pad or warm towel over it. Keep it on for about 45 minutes, allowing the oil to deeply absorb into your skin. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you could start feeling relief in as little as a few days. Many who've used this method have reported that it works faster and feels more effective than traditional cream-based pain relievers. Plus, it's completely natural. Whether you're struggling with arthritis, muscle aches, or even nerve pain, castor oil could be the solution you've been looking for. The magic of castor oil doesn't stop with pain relief. It's also a powerful remedy for irritated or damaged skin. Whether you're dealing with dryness, eczema, minor wounds, or even scars, castor oil can help. Its antibacterial and moisturizing properties accelerate healing while reducing redness and irritation. For irritated skin, simply massage a small amount of castor oil into the affected area daily. You can even mix it with a little baking soda to create a gentle exfoliating paste. This can help cleanse the skin, reduce inflammation, and restore its natural elasticity. Additionally, castor oil stimulates circulation, which benefits more than just your skin. Proper blood flow is essential for overall health because it ensures oxygen and nutrients get to every part of your body. This is why castor oil can also promote faster healing of minor wounds and improve energy levels. Now you might be wondering, why do we mix baking soda with castor oil? The answer lies in baking soda's natural alkalizing and detoxifying properties. Baking soda helps balance your body's pH levels, supporting its ability to fight inflammation and remove toxins effectively. When paired with castor oil, it boosts the oil's effect, creating a gentle but powerful remedy. For example, a paste made from castor oil and baking soda can be applied to skin infections, bug bites, or even stubborn pimples to speed healing and reduce swelling. This combination also makes an excellent, gentle scrub for removing dead skin cells and improving skin texture. For stomach issues or bloating, some people even rub the mixture on their abdomen to help ease discomfort naturally. It works because the combination encourages better circulation and gentle detoxification. The beauty of castor oil and baking soda is their versatility. Together, they provide solutions for a wide range of common health and beauty concerns without any chemicals or expensive treatments. Whether you're looking to improve your prostate health, regrow hair, ease pain, or rejuvenate your skin, these two simple ingredients can make a world of difference. But remember, consistency is key. Natural remedies take time to work, and patience is essential. Incorporate these techniques into your routine and watch how your body responds over time. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for taking the time to learn about the amazing benefits of castor oil and baking soda. I hope you feel inspired to try these remedies for yourself. The best part about these natural solutions is that they are simple, accessible, and often already in your home. No need for expensive treatments or complicated procedures. Nature has provided us with incredible ways to heal and support our bodies, and it's exciting to rediscover these age-old remedies in a modern world. Before you go, let me encourage you to take the first step. Don't just watch and think, that sounds interesting. Try it. Whether it's using castor oil packs to reclaim your nights from endless bathroom trips, massaging it into your scalp for healthier hair, or mixing it with baking soda to reduce inflammation, these small changes can make a huge difference in your life. And remember, it's not just about curing symptoms, but also preventing health challenges before they take over. Small actions today can lead to a healthier, more vibrant tomorrow. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more content on natural remedies, let me know by commenting below. Type, "Yes, I'm ready," and share what you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on new tips for living a healthier, more natural lifestyle. Lastly, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. Who knows, you could be the one to help them discover a simple remedy that changes their life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and never stop learning.